Hello everyone, welcome back to Wolfstorm. Today we're going to be installing our new heavy-duty side steps on our 2018 Wrangler JL. First we need to locate a total of 6 mounting holes, located on the exterior side of the Jeep. Also, there's a total of 3 mounting holes underneath to support the side step bracket. To assemble the brackets, grab a bolt, washer, and nut out of the supplied hardware. Line up the 2 bracket pieces and hand tighten together. Keep in mind we're only hand tightening the brackets now for an easier install process. To mount the brackets, match the 2 outside and the underside mounting holes and hand tighten. Do the same for the underside. Hand tighten for now. We're going to repeat the same steps for the remaining 2 brackets. Now that we have the brackets in place, let's make sure they're level and tight using a 15mm wrench and socket wrench. This is important to ensure the main step frame has a nice even fit. Obviously, having access to power tools can speed the process up. After tightening all the brackets, slide the main frame of the side step into place, matching the holes on the top of the brackets. Go ahead and hand tighten the frame bolts onto the brackets. Repeat hand tightening the other 2 brackets. Take your time. You might have to adjust the frame or the bracket position slightly to ensure a secure fit. Again, for a faster process, we recommend using an electric drill. But there will be some areas that are a bit small, so your old-fashioned wrench and ratchet will be needed. After the main frame has been tightened, it's now time to fit the steps. Make sure you have a 3/16 Allen socket wrench to assemble the steps. Before bolting the step to the frame, apply the adhesive padding to the underside of the step where it will rest on the frame. Peel away the adhesive from the backing and make sure the 2 holes are aligned to the 2 holes on the step. Slide on the step. Make sure the holes on the step align with the holes on the frame. Make sure the holes are lined up and hand tighten the bolts and nuts. Next, use an Allen socket to tighten them. Using the wrench's closed end will help secure the nuts in place as you tighten. Alright, and that's a wrap. If you followed along with us, then you now have a set of our new super durable side steps for your trail machine. I hope you all enjoyed the step-by-step video here at Wolfstorm. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you're interested in all our current and future trail riding products. Keep it wild, Wolfpack. We'll see you next time.